Ever wondered if someone's being truthful? It's all in the subtle signs. Notice their body language. Are they fidgeting, avoiding eye contact, or suddenly crossing their arms? These can be tells. Listen closely to their words. Vague answers, changing stories, or a sudden shift in their tone can give them away. But remember, context is everything. Consider their normal behavior before you jump to conclusions. By paying attention to these details, you can become a more discerning truth seeker in your everyday interactions.